Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little different. It's more like a reflection on today's market. What I'm seeing is that on today's market with the new AIs, Cloud Code now is able to connect directly to our models. Copilot is getting better every day. I also create a tool called Brognoli Studio that will connect to your model and do the everyday tasks that we need to do in Power BI automatically using any AI that you want. I'm gonna put the link on the comments below. But with these new technologies, it's very important for us to understand that the core product inside Power BI is and always will be the semantic model and the data modeling. With a robust data modeling, we can escalate our business, we can escalate and even replicate the model to other business. I know that visuals are the favorite part of everyone. Your boss, executives love to have beautiful dashboards to show to everyone. But you need to understand that in a few months, this part, creating visuals, creating a nice layout, a nice background, it's going to be done 100% by AI. We won't need to put our time and effort on this. What will never change is the human side of data modeling. The AIs will only understand the model if it's well constructed. So for me, the product that Power BI is going to be, what is going to be the future of data analysts, is focusing on the core values of this business. That is understanding data modeling, doing a correct data modeling with good measures, good relationships, tables well written with the columns with the correct names, descriptions in the measures, descriptions in the tables, everything that made the model more accessible and understandable to everyone. Because the AI won't read your visuals. The AI reads the semantic model and understand what we have in the semantic model. And using that, it interprets and create conclusions of what we ask of her based on the semantic model. So the point of this video is to show you that Power BI is moving in a direction that the developers are going to spend most of our time doing data modeling, creating the semantic models. And that is the most important part in every business, because in a few months, like I said, I think everything else is going to be made by AI. Really. It's still important. It won't be 100% precise. Non-AI is. But the hard work, create the measures, create the visuals, everything is going to be made by a prompt. But you need to understand the core business. You need to understand the modulation. You need to understand the models. You need to do it in a way that is easier for you and everyone else to understand, and also help the AI to do the repetitive stuff. You won't be substituted by EA. They will never have the human side of things. They are, in my personal opinion, they are excellent executors, but if they don't have the proper context, they will result in incorrect values, incorrect data. So if we do the modeling properly, if we spend our time creating robust models that we can replicate in other clients, for example, a sales dashboard, in every company, the names of the tables will be different, the systems will be different, but the core is the same. We will have a client table, we will have the transactions, we will have the product, and that modeling behind it can be replicated. If you understand that, I think we're going to follow this shift in our jobs more easily, you know. So that's just a reflection. It's a very different kind of video, but I was thinking on that, and I thought you guys would like to hear it, and it's good to share this thought and see what you guys think. Please let me know in the comments if you agree with me or not. But that's it. I see you guys on the next video.